Welcome again back, dear students. How are you? I am also fine. Today we will discuss about using of connectors. Dear students, you know that you are the students of class 9, and connector is an element of your syllabus which included in the second paper, English second paper. Can you give me the definition of connectors? Can anybody? Yes. Connectors is a word which connect two or more than clause, more than subordinate clause with principal clause. The word which connect two or more than subordinate clause with a principal clause. This word is saying that connector. In other word, we can say that connector is a conjunction. The sentence which play roles to connect two clause or more than two clause. This time, this what we can say that connectors. And the using of connectors is the same subject, and we are going to discuss about the using of connector. Here on the board a passage, and in the passage we find several blanks, and we have to need to put a connectors in these blanks. Firstly, I would like to read out this passage. Global warming is increasing day by day. Deforestation. Here is full stop. We cut down trees dash. Never think of planting more trees. Here is full stop. Human and other living beings are in the threat of extinct. Time is coming dash there will be no trees left for us. We have to face better consequence of deforestation. Dear students, you are finding a passage or watching a passage on the board. Here several places we can find several blanks, and we have to need use in these blanks connectors to connect the clauses with principal clause. Firstly, if you want to fill up these blanks with suitable connectors, you have to need about the primary ideas of connectors, about the vocabularies. You have to know proper knowledge of tenses, and finally you have to need more and more practice. Otherwise you will be not be able to complete the passage properly with suitable connectors. Here is global warming is increasing day by day dash deforestation. This sentence is require a connector which focus any cause, which focuses the connector which focuses any cause or reason. And which connector is appropriate here? Here is appropriate is because of or on account of. Here is two connectors, because of or on account of, two connectors. These two connectors are focus, reason or cause. And which cause our global warming is increasing? Because of deforestation. Deforestation means cutting and burning trees random, cutting and burning trees indiscriminately. Okay, we cut down trees. Here is second sentence is coming. We cut down trees dash never think of planting more trees. We cut down trees. Here is a clause. We cut down trees. It is a clause, principal clause. And never think of planting more trees. It's also subordinate clause. And in this place we have to need a connector which is general character such as and, or, but, etc. But here is but is appropriate. We cut down trees but never think of planting more trees. In this place we have need but. Here is also but. Here is firstly we find a blanks. Dash human and other living beings are in the threat of extinct. Here is this sentence is focus a cause or reason. So we have to need use this place connector of reason. The connectors who is focuses any reason or cause, this connector is appropriate in this place. As a result, human and other living beings are in the threat of extinct. Time is coming dash there will be no trees left for us. Time is coming. Here also a principal clause, also a subordinate clause. In this place we have need use a connector, who is the connector in this place need is the connector of time, conjunction of time, conjunction of region, conjunction of places. In this case in this way we can classify the conjunction, and conjunctions others name is connector. So here we have need to use here conjunction of time, or I mean connector of time, which is indicates when also conjunction or connector of time, when there will be no trees left for us. It also time oriented clause. In this place we are finding, or we are watching here. Dash, we have to face better consequence of deforestation, and it is the sentence which indicates the final result. This sentence is indicate final result. So we have to need here the connector which is focus any result, which is focus any action, final action. This connector will be as a result, or will be in the long run. So in this place we can use as a result or in the long run. We have to face better consequence of deforestation. In this way we can solve the this blanks with using suitable connectors. Dear students, you have to need more and more practice to get proper marks or good marks in exam, and I would like to give you some advices. Firstly, you have to need more attentive on the studies in this corona time, and you think that every year you will not be get any scope to pass the exam very easy way. Coming years you will face SSC exam or ACC exam or others exam. Of course you will be face, and in this case you have to need to use this leisure time, proper use, and of course you have to need to practice this grammatical form at your home by the help of your various reference books. And when our real class will run, this time we will discuss, or I will discuss with you to solve these difficult problems. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, see you again.